friends, so now we are going to see the unboxing of an important, very important electrical accessory. We cannot say this an accessory, it is a necessary. So like if you are installing accessories to your bike, electrical accessories like the tire pressure monitoring system, the horn, and the extra auxiliary lights, you need a power distribution module. So this is the power distribution module 60. So what it does is we have to do a proper wiring of it. So it should be done by an expert. So it takes in all the accessories. So this can take in 6 accessories, electrical accessories. So what I have done is I have put in the tire pressure monitoring system, then I have put a horn, then the lights, and I also fit in a USB cable, so power cable. So all these will go through the power distribution module, and it will then come out and get into the battery. So there is no need of any relays or any fuses. So automatically this will take in, it acts as a computer, electrical computer in the system, and it can be mounted anywhere. It's better to mount it under the seat. So it is this one is rust proof, weather proof, temperature proof, and waterproof also. So this was in the packing. So this is the PDM 60 module, electrical module, and this is the wiring of it to get into the battery, and this is the USB charger for it. Like you have to connect it to the module and this to the computer. So it can be downloaded. It has a program. This program can be downloaded, and you can adjust the timing of the lights. So that is an added feature of it, and these are the nuts and bolts, and this is the circuit. So it has 6 lights over here. As you can see, it has 6 lights over here. It can take 6 accessories. So suppose if the lights are red, it means that something is wrong, we need to check it. And if the lights are green, everything is okay, and if it is orange, it means it is inactive. So here are the 6 colors, and the black one is the ground, and there are 6 colors. So you can choose any color to fit into any accessory, and it can take 60 amps. As I said, it is waterproof, weatherproof, temperature proof, and rust proof. Let's install it into the bike, and I'll give you a better description of how it works. So let's do it. Now we are finished with the PDM. The PDM has been fixed, and we have used only 2 wires, 2 circuits, for one for the horn and one for the lights, and one has been connected to the ground and one has been connected to the power. So the remaining 4 circuits are free. So that has been winded up over here for future use. So now we are when the ignition is on, it takes around 7 seconds for the PDM to get activated. So once the PDM is on, all the lights are in place. So if you find a red light, then it means that there is something wrong. There's one section is not working, and if it is orange, it means it is inactive. Hi friends, don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share, and subscribe, and do give a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my videos.